A beggar was young and was very depressed with his life and desperately wanted to change his lifestyle. He always complained about his poverty. He looked for any opportunity around but never found any jobs which could keep him happy. One day while begging, he found a broken chair in a dump yard. An idea struck him and soon collected few more items from the junk and ran to his place. He borrowed tools from one of the shops nearby his place and repaired the furniture all night and gave it a new look using some old clothes and few metals. The next day he carried it to the market area and put it up for sale. With some patience and selling techniques, he sold it for the right amount of money. He realized that day that he found a new way of earning money. He used the money to buy a second-hand cart and some tools. Every morning he set his journey to a new dump yard to check any item which he could transform and sell. It went on for few days. Soon he thought of going straight to the houses, then finding in a junkyard. So every day he went home to home asking for any old item which they would want to throw. He even bought few things from them for less price and collected whatever he got. At night he used to sort out his junk and work on it. By next day he gave them a new look. He soon grew his business and used others' junk to make his treasure. After few days, he made good money and wanted to improve his business. One day, he was asked to deliver his goods to the customer's house as it was heavy. And when he entered the house, he saw they had stuffed the house with unwanted and unused things. He took his next step by offering his service for deep cleaning and proposed his idea of buying their unwanted things and giving a new look to their unused items. They agreed and he found a new opportunity. He never stopped looking for an opportunity to earn money and made his lifestyle and his life better and better. Stop complaining about life. Opportunities are always out there. It is left to us how we look at things around and grab those opportunities. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity, and an optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty.